welcome to my video. I'm playing Doors. Hehe. I'm lagging as it. But help me, I'm lagging. There, finally. By the way, I'm not new and I have 20 deaths. Wish me good luck, literally. Near the background. It's just ads. Black Mix. It's overrated. Oh, come on. Nerd. My skin didn't load. My green bean skin. No. Wait. By the way, this is scary. And this is loud too. Be mindful about that. I'm warning you. It's not a death threat. I'm just warning you. And I think this is a long video. If I die, that's it. Oh, vitamins! If you don't know, probably you don't know, vitamins does. You are fast. Just fast, yes. You are just fast. Lock picks can unlock doors or something else. Or chest. Ew. I almost got jumps. That's a jump scare. First jump scare. Be careful. Recommending trying this and play. Oh, come on! I'm on mobile. I don't deserve this. Oh no. Yoink. Again! I'm the unluckiest person alive, I think. If the lights flicker, I need to hide. Bandage! Yay, I'm full health. I'm speedrunning. Shit. I think the lights flick. Yep, it's flickered. I'm scared. Oh, come on! Wow, so scary. Open sesame. Ooh, another vitamin. I'm not that fat. Don't insult me. Don't look at that. It's too ugly. It damages you. I need a skeleton key. Yeah, I said it's not locked. Sadly. Oh, come on. Oh, what is that? Can I not see? What is that? Oh, battery. This is a fake door. Can I see the door? Oh no. It's been scribbled. Oh no, it's been scribbled. It's 16. Aha! I'm right. Oh, come on. I have money talks. Ignore the background. keep an eye on the door. Hi. I have a timer of 2 hours. Or 1 hour or 2 hours. So this is new. You're ugly. Don't think of you. So there's a battery. I have no flashlight. No. Again. Again. 53. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Rush. Oh my book. If you hear that, just look anywhere. Loot time. That's fake. I know. That's real. I don't want. I don't want to find the key. I don't want to find the key. I want to get out of here. That's real. Go away. Again. Ew! Sick is here. I repeat. Ew. You look not ugly. Ow. Why? Wait, what is this painting? This isn't a painting. What did I see? I need a bandage ASAP. It's real! Get out. I'm scared. Bro, I don't know what that's real or not. Hi. I know the eyes is. I need the bandage. Can anyone have a bandage around here? Loot time. Oh, wait. I'm not saying anything. Oh, it's not. Ignore my avatar, please. And hi, Sick. Please ignore my avatar. I'm lagging. Gold! Aha! 30. Oh, come on. I just memorized it. 38. It's 38, I swear. With the background. 38. I need a bandage. That's not 38. Not that 30. I need 39. Not 38. Finally.
Sino si Kevin?
I'm afraid.
Kevin? Oh, nandiyan si Kevin eh.
I'm scared.
Oh,
I'm scared. I'm afraid and I'm scared.
wala, sa labas wala. Sa inuman nila, wala silang lamay sa yung wala nga, ilang nga rin.
Aha. Go away.
Kasi kami sa baba na, sa taas sila, kaya...
I'm scared. Ignore the background noises. I'm not that ugly.
Hindi, likod lang kami ng Jollibee, pero likod lang
What
kami
I-
ng Jollibee. Sa taas lang
Globe. Hi.
Pero may sign.
Bandage. You never help me.
Sa likod lang.
Candle. Another light source, but it's useless. What if? Never mind. I'm quiet. Oh shit, what did I do that? Again, don't come in the middle. Oh shoot. No more avatar, please. Goodbye. I hope you have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.